Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox bedwars. So if you are facing this problem, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. Right now I am on the mobile, but you can follow the same procedure if you are on the desktop. So first of all, log into your Roblox account and you have to click on the three dot icon on the right bottom, and from here you have to click on the settings, and in the settings you have to click on the account info. Once you will do it, now from here you have to click on the verify my age. So first of all, verify your age, then go back and you have to click on the privacy, and from here you have to enable the voice. And once you will do it, now open your game and you can turn on off your mic from that. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.